In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a smooth gradient wipe transition between two clips. Instead of a simple cut, this effect gradually reveals the second clip using a gradient transition. Let's get started. First, place two videos on the timeline, one above the other. The top clip will gradually transition into the clip underneath. Now, go to the effects panel and search for gradient wipe. Drag and drop the gradient wipe effect onto the top clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see the Transition Completion option. Move the playhead to the beginning of the clip. Set Transition Completion to 0% and click the stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. Now move the playhead a few frames forward. Change the transition completion value to 100%. Now, when you play the video, the top clip gradually gets wiped away and reveals the bottom clip, creating a smooth transition. Next, adjust transition softness. Increasing this value creates a softer and smoother transition edge. Lower values create a sharper wipe effect. You'll also see the invert option. When you enable invert, the direction of the gradient wipe gets reversed. So the transition starts from the opposite side. Play the clip and experiment with the values until the transition looks smooth. And that's it. You've successfully created a smooth gradient wipe transition using the gradient wipe effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.